Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 8 of building the 1966 Batmobile. Uh, it's going to look lovely, isn't it? One of the more iconic cars from TV history. That's like cheese. No idea at all. I'm sure there's Mr. Freeze again still, isn't it? But yeah, feel free to read all of the words if you like. But I'm just going to look at the pretty pictures. Some of them are quite pretty. Some of them are a bit dark and moody. Archery going on there. How about that? All good stuff, though. Nice, interesting things going on. And more of the Joker. Right, so yes, we're continuing our engine bay with different bits. I've got no idea what any of these bits are. I've built several car engines in model form and still don't know anything about them. So, yeah, let me work our way through the instructions one bit at a time and get this built. There's not much to build really on this one, but we'll get it done and then we attach it to the bottom from last time. So, yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's see what it looks like. Right, let's get started. I've done one bit already. I've got the hose attached on there because I thought that was going to be a problem. So I thought I'd do that before I got started, and it actually wasn't a problem. First of all, we're attaching these gold bits together. We've got that to go on there with two of these AP screws. These are plastic pieces. All of this issue are plastic, apart from the screws. I'm going to need two more of those screws in just a second. So I'm going to get those out now, and then there's only one left. So that will be spare. So these will go in there to hold that together. Just like so. Get those tightened up. Right, this then attaches into the side there. It will only go one way round by the looks of it. Post, and there's a hole on there. Come on. Oh, I can't get that lined up on there. There's definitely a hole there though. A post there. There we go. That's it. That on there. And then, for some reason, we couldn't have done it before. This piece will go over the top of that. Probably easier to get that connected as is like that rather than any other way. Just double check the picture to make sure. Yes, those holes are that side. Right, so it goes that way up like that with the posts in there. Yeah, it's easy to get that done while that's like that. And that is the other two of these screws. We'll hold that in place. And then that's ready to be attached wherever it needs to go in the future using those other two brackets on the top there. So that's that. I think that's it for that. Now we need to assemble the generator. So we've got the post there, no, the bit there. We've got lots of different bits on here. Interesting. So we've got, yeah, this bit has the spiky turbine piece fitted over it, way round. Then we've got two different washer pieces to go on there. Yellow is not the clearest of things to see. Looks like it's that one, and then that one. And then a TP screw will hold those together. How many TP? We've got a bunch of TP screws in there, so using one at the moment, but I'm not worried if more than one comes out because I'm pretty sure we're going to be using a few more in just a minute. In fact, I'm just going to put one back in. That's almost certainly spare one, and we've got two others that we're probably going to be using in just a sec. So let's get this on there like that. Just like that, but properly. It's all come off again. Right, let's try that again. That one on there, then that one, then that one. Then the screw in the screw hole. Apologies if you can't see what I'm doing here, but I can't see what I'm doing here either, so we're even. But, yeah, black on black is never an ideal thing to see or to show on camera. So there we go. That's that going together like that. Then we need the rest of it. Right. So that's gone together like that. Tube then goes over the other end of that. Can't see with the small end on there. And a screw in there to hold that together. All the way in on there. That doesn't seem to fit on there in any particular way. So it will be able to be rotated to get it in the right place when it's together. Go. Let's tighten that other side down as well because that's moving around a little bit. No, I'm sure it can move around a little bit then. That is that. Then that end goes in there on the right end. That just caps it off quite nicely, actually. I like the way that capped off. And then we use the last TP screw. What do with that bit? Well, I missed a bit. No, that's another loose bit. So that and that are spare to be used, no doubt, next time. I don't like it. I don't like having loose bits for next time. This is going onto the bottom there. That end coming out. That is going into there, like so. With our TP screw. Holding that in there. Now there is a slot on there that will have to line up. So when that is actually in the right place, like that won't wiggle. So that is that, all nice and secure now. All good to go. And yeah, that's it. Another issue complete. We'll keep that and that safe for next time and see where it's going to go. So, as I say, that's another issue done. I shall put all my spare pieces aside, safe in the box, until we return with the next delivery. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye for now.